It's Patrick at Pals. I'm inside my 2018 Ram 2500 with a turbo diesel. I'm going to turn the key on. I'm going to start the truck. Now, look at there. Perform service. You see the check engine light here? And it says perform service. Take a look at the odometer. 68,092 miles. Ram sets up the Cummins diesel to change its crankcase ventilation filter between 67,500 and 80,000 miles. On your digital dash, it says perform service. When you look that up, it's to change this filter right here on your engine. Why they picked 67,500 miles, I do not know. But when 67,500 miles comes, you need to change that filter. Now, if you look on my dash, I've also got a check engine light. Normally, this light does not come on when you need to change this filter on a Cummins diesel. It may be a coincidence, or it may be that I have another problem. Jim is about to find out. He's going to scan the vehicle, and we'll find out why the check engine light's on. If the light is on for this filter, when we change the filter, the light will go out. If the light is on for another reason, we'll do another video and let you know. But with a Cummins diesel at 67,500 miles up to 80,000 miles, you're going to see on your information board, perform service. And that means you need to change this filter. If you've got a Ram with a Cummins diesel, bring it to Pals. See you soon.